Okay guys, hari ni nak buat unboxing video. Unbox surat. So this is surat dari Liquidator. Baru post semalam, hari ni dah sampai. Check. How do you differentiate whether the company is actually in liquidation, yang dah gulung tikar lah. So macam ni, dia atas nama company yang dah gulung tikar tu, tapi kita boleh tengok perbezaan dia sebab dia akan tulis dalam bracket in liquidation. Okay, like okay, so here, okay, ada perkataan in liquidation. So in liquidation maksudnya dia dah ada liquidator lah yang take over. So they have another special account just for this liquidator untuk liquidate its assets, the assets of the company yang dah gulung tikar tu. Actually like 7 tahun lepas the client dah pernah terima duit dah, like almost 300,000. That time was using a banker's check. So this time around it's about like almost 100,000, but the client don't really mind anymore, because you know, when it's like the second time you're getting money, it doesn't feel anything already. You know, the first time bila dapat the banker's check of about 300,000, then mungkin client tu rasa macam, oh wow, like a bit stunned lah for a moment. Before this liquidator, dia how to say dia allow our claim. Before dia give us this check, dia ada queries for few times already. Masa dia query tu, I managed to reply back lah, because I know what I'm claiming for. Kalau tak dapat reply back, then most probably dia akan reject this amount. So the client will not get this amount of money. Post saja lah. So it's like, so now we can see lah the difference. Like 100k doesn't mean much anymore. Ni macam like additional saja, macam bonus sajalah. Because for this client dah buat beberapa rumah dah untuk dia. Even the second house pun saya yang buatkan untuk dia lah. Memang dia dapat lah the defect and the LED claim semua. So then the third house I think will be next year lah. Kalau tak silap saya, next year will be the VP lah. So yang tu pun saya akan get ready untuk dia lah, because biasanya pemaju akan lewat lah.